agla jenu vito aza mobile phone ike ne nu fiala le nu fia la ado mobile phone la le pon gome o me le todo gbe akpo school nu so gbo kema o le phone da si edo ha la nenye be wa yi sukua wa chinegbe abebado sukua tam abetela mufafia eleji evio mele mo sego enya glaje mu ado bubu ha nyebe nenye sukua wododo de awutohere dodo nwa eviola ada wuwe sukume nenye awome le bubu no ha la ele oto awu awototoa is a different way ha eyanto the victor no via style ke wa toa wa ato style bubu agoyi e mu gbegbe bubu enye substance abuse use of drugs alcohol le sukupo oji egbe no cigarette pla ha bubu aha sese no le sukupo oji
ne metima bia be afoma ne do a kamia le gbegbe ne devi achola peme dada klefofo ade the school be school na vasro no and if you do but it is the responsibility of the headmaster, right? Ela be headmaster ya enye overall boss in the school ya kpona school ape the dinonogy ta enye headmaster lo headmistress ma pe do da sibe wa kpo be the view kata over school you le dedi me na
sibe tututu
ne the via de heva a school heva la glan yo foku gom wo alo aglan yo je alba jaglan yo especially to the extent of taking cigarettes, we and other they are using different sorts of drug abuse over even mesebe amado gohan or like glue. Glue is now high in something that they say they are using. The teacher or headmaster fe manyama.
Enyan kware be nu ya ola de ke suku vire ke matanto de suku tato alo nu fiala alo headmaster pe nkume alo headmistress ala be suku vi nti wo kwa plenyo no kle musku wo la mi asile Ghana de ke matanto de ope tato nkume anu nu ya o wo sina bena eye dola mi wa o de kan ha nu ne o hajeje alo habobo ikeme de viole holom wo ikeme de viole la holo okplo na de viova benade atio gome alo tepehla e wanu nu ya obe nu fiala ma kpo ga ka fi nu fiala ne kpo nu ya abeje sile de viepa gbenono pe totrome ni de suku viepa gbenono ele ole afiva suku a wo troa afima nu tato wo bena jesibe de viepa gbetro e agbe ape totroa mu ame ya wo zazame ya e de via pe agbetro na le eta de via ke matancho wi cigarette ahasesen anu le nfiala de ke nkume o.
Okay ma bia be de via ojo la pe ma ojo Christian home. Okay de via do wa ojo Christian home mi atomi nya be mouth like mouth bojilawa Subona mawale de go ma vovon fia aloko ko fia no de via wala pe me pleto ye mi nya de via ya we can trust them taking over those school open no one now sometimes ya o ya mi bobo like me train wa sigbo yi school male wo taking me ba do afuma alono oyi kaka hegwa mi pona be open no one now batrona if you be school ale otro because of bad friends you over le wo von you over le wo jeje la school opleto wa trona de vion nya tepe be like mi nya o la pe me o ya wo trona nya tepe
enya tepe nya gbro le ka ke suku antori me trona de via o de via le suku me alabe ha de via pa gbeno no aya tro ela be manye nu fiala de kepe didibe de via ona tro azo aglangela alo suku mayila o ya tane de via va gere suku me la o hala odo kuyo otu apeme abale kene globe edo nye mouse bola edo fofo nye sofo kle hameme gan hameda daw yo obuibe yo viewa leke lele apeme ya nu ya gere suku ko la wa ga nyoreji voa de via dola do ga gbelena de ji bon no trova apeme afo no me ha trona edo ha de awie velosi no da awie vena say alobalo ya menam awunyi to ikelo sinya gbeno no nyu akocho apeme no gere school la wotro agbenono no ga gbo na suku afemela agbenono ye la afemea o ga chona agbenono ga dona abawu va seri keme wodo fievu blereji afi akobe de vie dole afemeji la ofe poklote ple agbenono gbegble eyina de school agbenono gbegble ma ga yina de ji nega trova afemela au ega vondi kama to mado jilao ple ofo klo dadawa aiji hafi anya.
I see. No vito dolao gade minute read ake miele no pocho indiscipline and truancy in our various SHS here. Aleke no vale jom, aleke school view bale aglanjem le school vovo le Ghana te koya meunti miele no pocho ye miele no pokle Reverend Jonathan Bete ameke former PRO na Ghana Education Service miele nkule de nuye owone be de view no to la fa make his school overja batrona overtrona of agbenono you know ble enuka ogbo chona be de viotan trona le school nuka ole be mia wa be do da si na jilao ne ameyo dobo vio de school do da si ka ole mi egbo afuma do da si ka le teacher o si elas mi egbo na afuma do da si ka ele headmaster lo headmistress o egbo na school ha do da si ka ole si what is their role and their duty nenyebe de amoko bo vio yi school pleto we are on that kake for now mi le no pocho de vio pe gbegblon no kai na be no bado school o janagla alo otrona the forms or the character that we all knew them from home apo yi school pleto ya o mi le nkola there for now mi ato mi awezo mi ape coach babiao question so nan minojrado alo adredam fan na bia babia and I'll be opening the phone lines for you to ask or add to miato penya yo blomole yata no to aji ma di crown ma bu monami ne miade mi space so blo akpena mi todo lava vao mi le live le Top FM online on YouTube, Top FM online on YouTube, and also we are live on Sienna YouTube page in North America, Sienna Facebook page in North America, nearly clearly Authentic Mama fan page on Facebook as well. Play all over the places. TikTok, Pleto, Akbebe Miletoaji. Babiao, I mean you le Facebook aja. You can also send your messages, your questions. I'll ask for you. And also next time the name of Umwa, you can also be there and call the number to contribute your views and comments on the during the phone line segment. Akbe, me ma bia bede. Reverend, Devio, Begble yi hele jojo le school vovo teacher so alo headmaster teacher so are they aware?
Madonna be gedela teacher o ple school ta tola wonya benu ya o le ji le yo fe school me ela be nu gede de vio fe totro agbenono pe totro a ede na fia be nu vondi ya wowola o le mi ape school gede school adeke medole me o nenu fiala rebe ye pe school nu ya mele mo wa mede how ebo le Ghana
Authentic Mama le 103.1
FM school fair leader so allo as a headmistress so play headmistress so they are aware what are the steps are they taking to address this issue no ka ole wo be watun adonu yodo
me dakpana Authentic Mama Ghana Education Service day ese pele dodo elemiasi ese pele dodo yala Ghana Education Council GES Council ple miafe teacher union so headmaster so ple suku view fe nuno lao ofofu o se ple dodo na suku de siade siade Bishop Herman Tomel Levona Mauli School to Wesley Girls Tomel Levona Ola Girls so okata onye ese populi ke Ghana Education Service play Ministry of Education o blood kai o chodo da school me
school kata me
school peteme ka kele school a mentonton hande mu fiala o play PTA association ala o ga o sevi vivio lobodo kume yeke kokpena de Ghana Education Service pe seun pene de vie o tonzo se ma ojila wanye amewonu tepeo alo du comme vigno na mi hafi nu ma o meleji o ta nu fiala abele megbla onyanwe nu ya leji ya ale be sekle dodo ya odo de onye Ministry of Education play GES ta tofe susube suku a okatari no so le sikle dodo wa me se a o le suku agakea edo me le do mu si a do me le do mu enyanya tete
na devi be odo the school ever do school ko all of a sudden me back be o devi ya odo the school let me for example form 3 junior over for first year the vale de vie like interview like senior like form 3 vale junior di first year na de vie melelolo oh me tisi gbekle to kake because of bullying, because of seniority ma they try to force the child or that person na nye be de vie melelolo kake because I have for threatening but oh if you don't accept I'll do this and some of them have been doing what they plan to do to those and ne ame mafuko de vi mafuko no laude no kawenye no awolebe as teacher o alo headmistress alo mistress o wawo I take as action
akpe abenya yokata na khlere wole miape code of conduct mele school o me eya tananye be veto de vi ochuna GSS agere miapo science school o mela mi yona ne be orientation
okay
headmaster so headmistress so ble senior house mistress senior house master ble form teachers so wo na dodo
okay
organize na orientation
na de vio
le orientation ya mere o khlana nu yo awo hese ple dodo akplo
okay
e atananye be nu manoli he edasi agila enye miape mopokpo be wa heto now abele ne globe nenye be sukuvi nchuvi le nyonu vidi
le first year
vidi alo le final year le first year vidi e de vie melon e ye de vie pobere nenye be yimelon na o la
abano punish kakaka
apanish ya de funai atoto ye pe susu la e do de vie onanata
yes
nyonu vie anata alo na nfie to ma mela kama fugere me alo de vie pa gbetro eleke bibla be ma de sena adam clever bodo megadu abome atiema o eko bi ofonunya ka hode gia susutra nene manye de ve fen ya o no gere sukuome eye senior o trasile o nti blewo o lore gia de vi ofa susu ebu yon vi o vevito ofa susu bu na de nu gbegbele wo ekema ntunya dodo o have yo matiti ya egere sukuome ta enye suku afa dodo be nenye be suku viade lenu ya metore ele be na va report
okay
ele be na va cho enya ya akona o senior house mistress nenye be enye nyonu vi
okay
now nenye nchuvi la tafla chede minami yo atibe ati
okay
nyonu vi ado ha de do gbele cho apeme afiva do suko me eye do fe nu wona o chela ehena suku vinchuvi a ofa susu vana odo kuyon ya tani yebe onye nchuvi nekpo wona yare esesena be suku vinchuvi na report be nyon vi ale yedi
that one is true
ala be nchuvi alon ya di wele ya tani yiji ne mare mi akọ ekova nyon vi ofa kpaji be na yebe nchuvi a o wele fudom na ne mala ele be wa report alo ava akonya ya akonna ofe suku tato kema wa yo de via na eto hehe eye egba ha de authentic mama mi me na to alo seme de bombe na heto na de vie no me bia enya fe tomatiu eye ata amenyi to yo le mi abo school me nenu ma vanye be na ba report na nye be enya be yele nkpe le nu fiala ikenye headmaster headmistress senior house master senior house mistress open kumede amede le suku a ome Ghana Education Service Ward do da open konye guidance and counseling coordinators eyata nenye benya ya oleji ya ebe de vie ne doji aba report enya ya na ameya o kata meyo ekema wa yo ameya wo atonu meplo ne de vie otomejo ne Jesus ne cho afile de vie dia ekema wa yo de vie ahetona de vie edo ha de authentic mama me de vie de ko yo na o pato yo de vie ofejilao nchuvi ofejilao afa soku ome wa set committee de enuma ohun no kpobe no eleji ya no de senami no galeji ya kama to hehe ikela agbale me a akotozo here akona deviao.
Okay. Novi Todola Vavao Gade Minute Blave Vodake 621 Top Radio 103.1 FM. Tunayo Bobo Show with Authentic Mama MFA Mile Live Le 40B Royal Casero Daji Accra Kokomlemle Ash Villa Bidiname. We are transmitting from, and also Le America Tacoma, North America particular. We are transmitting from there, and we are live on Sienna YouTube page, Sienna Facebook page in North America. Le Ghana Lefia Top FM online on YouTube. Top FM online on YouTube. So you go and subscribe there and follow the program. Nenema Kenya Sienna YouTube page, also on Facebook and also on YouTube. You can go there, subscribe to Sienna YouTube. Nyan of you on your vertical association, L'America, you page ya you call Ofiana no dona degbe ya omia degbe o L'America to come. Bemia ado degbe adengo. Enya omia fe dekono. That afuma ha okona Authentic Mama Pet Show every Saturday. Ole nkonye same as I'm saying now. Ole miakom akpena mimiato Sienna members okata especially. Thanks for tuning in from North America. UK to afuma Saudi Arabia to okata Italy to fonyo okata Jonas Ogankwe to they are live, and also ameyole Dubai abeyole konye la fima. Thank you so much for your time. Michelle Lindsay. Me invite Nyanovio, ne Okata work by Michelle Lindsay, and Nyanovio, Justin. That is all you can also do to contribute your quota in promoting our language, our culture. Bewakeketa ayi. Miela no play Reverend Jonathan Bete. Ameke hele toaji ke o manananya efo Patrick le nkonye semcho Boston Okata on the live la America to come. They said they are live with us all in Kosem show Boston efo Patrick. Medugbe now wele toaji Boston tokata Sienna members tokata nya wele toaji akpena me ke nya yichi ye matima bia be devio pa glande je pele nu gbegble yo poko wo de aleke wa affect na of academic work and learning in school.
Yo akpe abeleke ne bia ba bia de school ta to de sien de pe didie nye be the end result you ne de view over the dokpo wa global wala girls which papa le pay amela okatan 100% amadola opo distinction amma okatan wo Gedeide University Edoide Training College Edoide Nursing Training pakle tepe bubuo enyi wo pe didi eyatani be nutofo ya wo Gede sukwa omela edidi na school result performance result edidina do fake sukua pe agbagba jeje doa agran jeje mu ona yawola enana be ekeme agbale mega yan sona na de via o eye la bo susu mega la agbale mu o po suba ide mu tofu wo mula sukua pe leke magbele be sukua pe result alo te pe yo le Ministry of Education play Ghana Education Service pe level alopo do fair edidina eta enyina ejila school ta to pe VVCC be you viewer no to be le school enu blem le school ahun tana agnadije ya gere de vie mekola no gede ye naji le school me nenye be de dopo wo mekola ekeme de vie concentrate asonu a kema paper play cheating in exams. Ona member no ma o ma eyi eduna efienvu de sukwa ome eyemi ape result o didina
ela be mi pone ne devi ade ano serious la feme asron pleto no do school va do group basa ma o mekona pe be epe behavior katan change na alotrona eye nu so so pete didina efe appearance play one na pete o ha akpe devi atotro de vame so enu yawa affect na devio adewa it is not their wish be devio odibe yuazulene le squamo how deep is a peer influence in school on other children adewa na akpe do do close school kwa me school masronu mazuale kakia peer pressure the viewer have no group adome alo honde ko abenu oh forget it oh me ba chill afi vie mi trog bok me katiji oh me kasi na dia nyako devi ma hele willing enough to become somebody later in the future epak be petegle because of a hope influence. How deep is that on some children in school?
Yo David Nyemedema aglobe hafi devi no cho primary school ayide secondary school ya openya glomilere enye period alo peyi se semena ntuvie okronyo nvio kata ozuna adolescent adolescent ma medevio gedo ntuvie okronyo nvio a ntuvie to dona fie vru nvio to eye nenye benyo nvio mele benado kio eye ogede nono mema mela elele zunagba devia megaton senanu ata gafofo maomela unye yive vio eye ogbena nle devia ntane ma se oba bia menye a ma don be enu maola egbena devia fe chome no gere sukome nya gere ofe kholo ofe hado doya o mekwa devia ole ke ole ha fi gere sukome la maga kpo nene mawo ofe ele ko sona gbanle ofe tagboko le basic school alo primary school afi gena de science school mela edidina abaleke megbele dongo edidina maga kpo de vie fonu soson nene mawo nenye jogbe fun gere de vie meko efuva gere me ofofua kama de vie fa agbedome egbele tamia vi nchu viwa ogbele na mia vi onu vi ozigede le school.
Okay.
When you get a school, Mekola, Amado Hala, Oje Hono, for the Yadino Yodi, a domechona Gedea, Mechona Susuma Benari, you Habobome, you only Hono PSUA, but Benu Mata you. Ella Benya Penusa Sno, Pesusua, ele level. None of Yadola was your to view there, ne Amaya Holonyela, Afianum, then you may send me a gomode. Afiam ala be de via do hala mi school mede o mesena no fia la gede penu fa fia mo akene de mi o trova apeme alo yo de do lo do kiosila wo so na no sina me wo tanyo via ode o mo na susu de agraje jalo gbe man no ke nchu via ode wa we henawo genade me
ma ya pa ya ji ke nyonuvi o mi fonu chongede efia be elebe nyonuvi desi ade ke yi na school ehia be jila na fia nu ya loponu na onwe do bo chomenwuti be you are going there for a reason and this is the reason why me don kuji lemia amunuto ama ayatako amisa me global amunuto ameto we are good in education because we don't have cocoa, we don't have a lot of then sigbe mi glona alo sigbe nya to glona na mita nene is school you are there to focus obet todiamelio togamelio eta vinyenene ya bikona kwa pe iminecho Israel ma penya
sigbe tututu
ta odena jiponami eyo kono na enumi pele enya ya okuko those days kake menya be fifila ya enya mawa ya top nya no kale enuma kona de view kole school you imenya
authentic mama
papa
my blogger enye jila ofudo da sibe afi vione jolo school re macho de vi bo bete akọ dare teacher ji o
okay
ele bo nto na wa pe medo
okay
afiamu de vie adenya hala mu na de vie be na school la ni ye aba dogo nye ya jawo jilala mede school yingo mede school yingo he de vie journal ebo re ele bo na akọ dare sikpiji agbobe na je nchu vi yo me le pe amere manga transfer no ne we ale a nchu vie globa dare hala fela adofue ne fofula wa gbedomegbe eye nyebe nuyo de elemopo be headmistress o wa fia de via alo senior house mistress o wa fia de via o le gbegbe mo nu le miafe biological systems na nyebe enye jila nyito eyin na nyanu maula elebe cho afemela amecho globe tababla apomocho disciplinary alo education mala elebe mia jilao yonyanu maula wa jeno fia de via wa fia yi no fia no ma de via wa fi ogere school home alo school poji a ne de ka kuvia de yo mi yo na be police o le school home o lewo alo blewo mu ponu ma de via be sume ko hoho be ne meyia na ba dogore nu ya togbo mu etonye pe no nye fia mbe nu ya la it is social vices or immorality eyata ne ya megaba wonu ya plenu ma o kema ojra de via ocho apeme eya ta ike school ta to play guidance and counseling coordinators o wa twa ablonu ahonwo ajra odona echomena duko play jilaola enu adidi akejila gedela lokwa dasile de via onko obuibe nufialaola wonyama udola alonya meyo aton tro yo vio kwa all of a sudden go de via wanyu mele menene mawo.
Okay, that Jilao have a duty nebe ne le vio do de square ha do da silasio bena afia no de vienye afi wa yape wa school akolonu ana wanya no ike wa vadogo because school thousands of people from all backgrounds yo igbona behavior gede ogbona me don kuje yi me vinye high school secondary school because me no out of amedeke poklotel apart from apeme mia de amedeke me no na kplimi ha la apeme ke na nyaleke wa relate to people that relating to people those emekpebe no difficult ne
Okay.
none of you no difficult ne because mia de na apeme from the one amedeke me miss na me Plofi meka plofi no kata ne tofi no kata ne kwa with the nothing like that e ya to kon be fe igbo back or something kake time go over school no only different because different sort of people.
Yes.
I may have your kafra, your pants, I may your pressure, I may be like ekwe no bete basane, mekwe ekpone no. Kakea be me na onya be me no ogbono no be. Like me ameve, alumia de demi la fe me 24 me gbo me ape no me kwadre fini nya ba feel like kake square. Thousands of people you are going to meet and different behaviors. So, ya tanene ya openu aleke na paki atuho nene na lecturer tu no katande lokamina yi kasena nya ene metua afi amedena koto edi amedeto ohana ba komedeto kleto edolele kleto like those things are as a parent we need to educate our children like that and also anawanye be me be na ba komede pe kafra pe pants tobu alamede koto ha otana bakoto na hodolele toothpaste kleto yo omekona medeketo la abakomede pe brush be ya ekobale enuyawa ahodolele a lot of things jilawa vinyo echo b ekpo 14 ekpo 6 na mauko na
academic standard
okodu de view that without any proper education from home to alert them ahead of time bede school is different from home that doda si elejilausi alegbegbe kakema yijima biabe nido interview pakpaji interview adowa how Ocho Christians home and things like that they are trained well from home or school many of a wish yo opposite be mavano group adekeme occultic groups you over miantomi like pokpole TVG most of the time Nigeria film you make one even many Nigeria film happening in our schools like so saboba toya betia domi agba Nigeria ya
again school ya okra to nyese
so the film afuku interview makpo film ade he the via yi school many fe wish yo lo le nu so kake honde but every day konela komebele nu so every day mido ovakpo nu yara vakpo kase obianya otutu de occultic group ya hukume which maybe I will pick who all them black covenant and things you cannot go back ever zoo enuya kakeno ya fema he tried to pretend as if he's so good for the parents kakeno for school ever jagla all of later at long last you cannot hide pregnancy alomesi gbogbo eno fofu ya mata so enya kapuku na aglona de kakpe vio alomia bantona de vio onto le school that is not you were not trained like that. You don't have the mind to go to school and become a bad person. Rather you go to school to become somebody better for yourself, your family, and also for the nation. No can you do that see school vi nchu ene yinawo I focus and learn nyaka
authentic mama my ji adenya ya mebe le nya pe Ghana to koya mede sukwado le nya obe nyunu school girls schools edo ha onye boys schools edo ha atutu etolenye mixed school ike nchuvio kule nyunu kata ole tepereka edo nyunu dede edo chenchuvio dede now occultism play social vices mutofo ya owo edona efie vodeji le nyafe boys school so school yo he omenye miss school omechaka kpelon viewa edona fie vode tefe mawu tefe yonye miss school
okay
eta de viewe Mu gbegble wo yo le soso abe occultism lo nu a. No yila edo de ukhlena occultism la gbanane. Edo la television stations. Ofenu yo fiawo le bakple ne ewo ya kle wa ya kwa akpoga nu make atwan lenyon vi make ne grenya be social media so la onufa fia yawo wo le ji na nya bu afire kwa kacha na kpara kwa obecho he ya ve cho he ya ve na ya cho ye ko pe kwa asunu ya wu na jile mi ape boys kuso me wu miss kuso eyata enye abele mi egblo anye jilao fe doda sibe wa pogbo be ne do down ne hollow view have you the score me wa download ma ne de vie tola azo wa download ji enye be school view hollow tibe wa gbinwa do academy wu aleke adasile nga ke ba bia nye benade authentic mama ni ajila yo mi le mokpo be wa fia nu ya otogbo ni avio de o kata wo de sukua ni ajila gede o me de suku ake o fe didie be na nye be de vio school la wa banya gbale aba fia nu yo bo eyata nu khola menya ya wo le be jila mawo ne na o fia gede school ma de vio me khona nu fia fa fia ya o cho jila ogbo asere ke me jila ma de suku dengodo tepere nyanu yawo afi atancho nu yawo akokhon enwo eta nu yawo gedewula nya fe solire habobo osofo pelu no laula enye mia ha mia bedo da sibe mia afia nu ya de via wa fi wa jo aire mia po school me abe no trogbo a ebo ga gbona ba mia gbo abe mia ha meto e mia pe hawa ba chireji e de vi de kapo nchu vi yo le occult group ya o mela enye sukuta fe didi alo ofe dodo leke ma gbolo fe gwema enye mia fe mopopo na ocho bobe wa nya me yo aheni avio le ma fofon ya me le du popolo fe sekle dodo ya o me be nufiala ya o nenye be mala de viare do kuyun abe ocho de vi o me aton alo ewo na nufiala de ka be unkunu no de vi ya unti ne de vie be atramola ahe de vie kova amonyi toji ni onye to o maola nu ya unu pa didi ka ke ba bia yin be ne jole nyonu vie ogbo authentic mama ne jole nyonu vie ogbo gbo ba mtu vie ogbo lo nyonu vie do han la occultism plenu ya ola o so na le pe mobile phone oji eyata Ghana Education Service wa o sekle do gade mebe de vie ke mepomo akọ mobile phone akọ ile suku ga kefifi ade
meka esama
mega le do wow phone ole de vie osi edo ko la de desk o mele classroom no ni fiala kini o heva ngogbe nenye be o there silence alo ya pemela ni yo kata o ponala o jila kurala nyana neke le de nu mawu yata edo etumi abenu fiala o le jila o be ni atrasele mi avi ntuvio le mi avi on vio
Edoi to me, July ople no fiala ople de viosi abe mi atrasile mi avinchu ople nyonu unti ne mi do the school. Total Lava Vow 639 Top Radio 103.1 FM. We are talking about indiscipline, the most indiscipline in various schools in recent times and how to curb them. Teachers, parents, and the kids themselves, how we can manage ourselves so that indiscipline will be nap in the mud. Reverend Jonathan Bette, former education PRO, Lemiadume, Lenume Konami, Novito Dola, Ewojila, Yilenkonyesem, you know, be a dodasilasio, then a dovion to vilo, non vida square, a dodasilasio. Have you the viewer square? Ro hello dodasi adele ben akolo no de via anawanya apeyi mocho eleketa o ina school no itanye no inye fe focus pleto na anawanya don go ameyo fuku mo gbono no gbepleto be de tie na ya wa ale benado krano diti ninya be we have a peer pressure na ile be de viado was de viado godo be vami join group ya vami wonu ya o ableki mi le in social media in recent times na po secondary school view those days in middle school we were prefer people in
yes.
school none of phone crap be na bacha today into video amede na akpo because
SU
EPSU view. That is how we were then. We were trained. We were EPSU trying to be portraying ourselves in a good way. We don't do because so there is some fear. Oh, bet you how over the over the view. Oh, that would say the Fokufa. The Fitu we know no if you expose yourself to a man, men are attractive. Men will be attracted to you because when they see your breast, they see your thigh, they see your whatever face and things like that, they'll be attracted. Mia winto no de mia do kwe wo be ka French ado a force me a rape me pleto. Ye neke neko hede vie chafema. Ye wako school, ye wako igbome, ye wako afisi. So Jilao edoda sile mia sele gbegbe. Before I'll go to the next near a reverend. Amade onye Jilao. Obo tokonye be waple Milo, waple Gary, waple nuka. And sugar, they will never go to the school to find out how my daughter, my son is faring. I'd be a teacher or I quit the teacher. They say, oh, teacher. If you need the Kuno Kula de Unam Lesquame, no, and Bagmada wine, you no by Minonufu, my Equator, Gelado, they are just Kafra, careless. They don't do that. I don't know. No cannot be Jilama Poko.
Me back when I de Babia Tohe auntie. Enye Jila fe do da sibe wak po vodo viunti. Jila do la vuvumelo unu. Etanu ya do de via oda school kola okode suku to si. Do hala wa di mistress ado le school. Acho de via okode sibe nenye be de via le muto vo wala anamanya. Ake do ha de nenu du vole de via osila. Hafi usena nya Jilado hare mi ke de via wadu mi wadu afia be ocho apenyi me galasinye ni meke me hi afinyula nko obuna elek agbenu no ike no de via osi molding of the children he wagugo trova peme avansunu na hemede alo yo ntola omenye mi ape priority alo menye nu ike mi ape susu pleji no na huntio abele ne bledongola nya show off aku vinye ko devume amadi de school chobox pe mu nsiamu lesi watamana no viokra ata de viodo ha of agbeno no re onya be yocho apenyu meta kosa recovery ko awu mu bo ha avo Jilao agagbo jira bubudo ni ma agbolo ko enye be enyemia Jilao pe do da si abe Jilanchu menyamie be menye Jilao kata le tepere kado amedo onye single parents o evito mia nyonwe onye single parents o do na ovio eye ovio fe hehe plus school nya okatanye na ofa gba eta fi vio ne jole gbo aide school mela enye o Jila nyonu pedo da si be na denu yo katanye plamachalo kuhe atu de vie eye efe nududu plomudo de meganye opetaro jinu agbenono ike wano le school ma yo chobe evio onu ya tabana ba sign bond na ba onu ya plenu ye o ela bene de vie enya sign bond le school meko etro psychologically etro de vie have susu vovon alo agrande je to he aga gboga gere de vie do me nene male mi ape suku me ya tanyi mi ape do da si abe vino abe vito hala mi ma gbele mi avio de nyonu de jiu be yo de vaccine no de vio jiu mi ancho hala mi anwan yovu bebe once a while mi ide school me ababia senior house mistress senior house master alo form teacher benade alete vinye pa gbele na de vie pa gbetrola ameyosi ne kodea wa kolonu alo agbolo na ba fiore enle nu ya klenu ya wo etramo eta troasilem alo mi ameve mi ayo de vie dadan akolonu e de vie eta menlode mi afa ni ajojo gbale me graphic me be Ghana Education Service to van do de be Jila Ple school tato fe takpe be PA enye parent association ike o de teacher o leme o de abe echala PTA no anyi ike mi abelu fiala oversee no de dion na bo onya de dion tani de mi de PTA takpe ya wo la enu makela susu ya o do le teacher ofe nu be de vi ofa gbeno no ale
Okay.
e jila do hala o pona nufiala yawo e uno na npe de fi ola be nufiala o bo de vi o le onya ofe no no me akifi fi over the teacher ofa si le association ma mere enyo ni ke na chitre de mu le do kunye me ne wa nyua pa gbogbo PTA akova suko me
look at you to swat house so be you the teachers of asylum
enye vevese sena be nye messe susu ike meta o de teacher of asylum do ma hia one of the teacher do ha ole the vi ogbin you
because menya be emeklo in school those days I met the school is home from out the school secondary school so mekwe the head menyeto medibe makpo headmistress or headmaster mekwe ba for nebe evinye ya mede do kwenye fie mekwe ko ba da emewo ameka va call teacher bubu eke mekpo be nye teacher eke mese nkobo this teacher is discipline mekwe va de si abin shobe ntu teacher evinye ya enye ya mebe makwe da sume na do via kpona mano yo mako number mia no fokleto na nada kwa namanya after that mekwe va de senior headmistress I make it go one le boarding school ma meti makpo teacher alo enu ya na makpo mekpoya ha call no back letter. So there was a communication between me from headmistress to the teacher to the boarding person who is the head
senior house mistress. Yes. Form teacher. Even to the GP or SP Mapetea.
Yes. I just want to introduce myself to them and let them know that I am this is my daughter. I brought her to this school. I want you to take care of this and make sure. So that Nadele Jojo, and then your teacher headmistress may get to Macpo teacher may get Macpo headmistress whatever house mistress I get Macpo even GP law prefect all the method happen and also no one in there would they just no ya lunch ya ellen cook that one no very careful in doing a lot of unnecessary things to the child. Vovono kakene neko vio kova iskuko mekpo neko eko yi obe mi va egbe obe mi report ko eko vio devu me pi nu dudu agba amwa ple bag nyado ple toko okova dra ono naime oko de vio ko evo o ma ko teacher de kefe no ba o ma ko headmistress de kefe no ba allo house mistress de on ko de vie dara yame. And no, they don't ask. Oh, my year, Chenquacho, Koaba, Biagbo. And yeah, I remember over Tonyam Lesu. Never nice, never your teacher. I'm nice, the bad of my pity. My your teacher, me Biagbe, Leke Via, Leke me Lepo, Epenomede, is still like this. Maho individuals feedback. Never quevoa. Emine, Macpoleke Nola, never your de Via Dobon come have. And we am say, is it true? And we am say, is it? Vovon le de vieto hala vovon e ma medinu vivi ha me na teacher mawo
enyam ye globe ye din vivi na teacher we enye motivation na teacher ko pen kule de ji ara be teacher le mo poberi ne authentic mama gbona su humla ele na de ma ba globe teacher made jibubu le fetu hena hohota nukeke jemu awola wonto hala ejura teacher do e atanu ike teacher awo be vio na nyuri e wa we na we
and it's very important me de jisibe o attention na de vie and because onya ba na menya pa PT yako obete ha wa ko nu ha fa me va kla
PT e me galiolo PT e me esu PA tani le pepele be PT e ne gbogbo fa teacher na gere me
okay, that is what our new president ever do reform our local committee chairman they are going around to find out situation issues how to make the student, teachers and parents all accountable and comfortable in this senior high school. Reform senior high school free school so it's a good in a good direction or so far. We are waiting for the committee to bring their views up. How are they going to improve upon this free school? Here wanyo nududu pleto wanyo ha. Ke metima globe megbomofu gbena todola oga 10 minutes blato na nyadele yo ha wa cover ka ke metibe milen kude akpa bubun no kan na be maglobe nakobe gay lesbianism nchu kple nchu ƒe dɔdɔ nyɔnu kple nyɔnu ƒe dɔdɔ ya ƒete edze gɔme tso secondary school míele kpɔ míele se le social media gbeɖewo ne kpɔ social media ne kpɔ senior high school viyo those days míawo ke enaɖe ƒuku matawo wa ɖevi yiwo le wɔwɔ anɔ ewuɖu kple wo ŋutɔ ƒe senior wo lo school mates in some unnecessary forms aɖewo sometimes ne mekpɔ video keke me in Ghana school abe indiscipline alo headmaster kple headmistress power ɖeke mekava le wodze those days meɖo ŋku dzi ne headmaster no for assembly do ƒuku ƒoƒo lia nu ya ƒo ko mi nya be nu gbegble nya ɖe dzɔ vɔvɔn dɔ ame ɖe gbɔ to ƒe assembly do le nu nya ƒo ko ŋutɔ ne nya eya normal assembly alo mi na sport alo kake fifia me ka kpɔ be vɔvɔn ka le ɖeviwo ka bona headmaster krapolo headmistress krapo afa no teacher obo is it because what the caning in the school ame ƒoƒo le school alo punishment de head teachers o nana o de o le school ya ina be ɖeviwo va le wɔwɔ le lo what do you think as a PRO
mama authentic me di be ma gblɔ be tama mi no school abale ne gblɔ re ese kple dodo kple vɔvɔn eme tsɔ srɔ̃nu vɔvɔn le lame na o menye be nufiala nye dzata alo headmaster nye dzata o enye ele me wo be nenye be yewɔ vodada la ya xɔ to he eye nufialawo hã mele vɔvɔn be nenye be yewo he to na wo ɖe woanya yewo le dɔnu ake fifia la dukplɔlawo ƒe se kple ɖoɖo aɖewo va kɔ tu míaƒe sukuwo me ɖe ena be vɔvɔn le teacherwo me be nenye be mehe to na viawo ne etsɔa ame ɖe fofoa nye MP ame ɖe dada nye DC wo ƒometɔ le fia minister tanu mawo la wonye vɔvɔn geɖe nufialawo kple headmasters wo dome be nenye be yewo tsɔ ese kple ɖoɖo ma tsɔ tu yewoƒe school me la ava gblẽ nu le yewo ŋu aida wo transfer wo headmistress alo didi wo tso ɖoƒe yi ke ne le kɔ yi teƒe bubu gake babia nye be ɖe míaƒe dukplɔlawo kple esenyalawo kple sukutatɔwo ɖe woƒe didie nye be enu nene gblẽa woƒe susu ma nye be enu ne gblẽ o gake ŋudzedze kpɔkpɔ yi ke wodi be dzilawo nakpɔ le yewo ŋu be yewo trɔ asi le nuwo ŋua wole nu bubu wole nua gblẽm wogbugbɔ le nua gblẽ le ke wole be ne nɔ eya ta le nyadzɔdzɔ ƒe agbalẽ ɖe meŋlɔa be bia be ele be wa review code of conduct le school me ene ke o lea wa gbogbo trɔ asi le ŋu wa na be sukuviawo ŋutɔtɔ hã ɖe nanɔ ese kple ɖoɖo ma wɔwɔ me nenye be ŋutɔwo le me ɖe míabiawo ne nu ya dzɔ ɖe leke ne susu be nenye woƒe asi le mea vɔvɔn ɖe tɔgbe anɔ míaƒe sukuwo me eye PTA ƒe nya gblɔ me le ɖe teacherwo ŋutɔ hã woanɔ me dzilawo woanɔ me educationist wo woanɔ me eya ta hatsotso alo habɔbɔ yi ke wo fɔm fifia be woage ɖe nyamawo me ɖe edɔ etu wo alabe míaƒe school wo la wogblẽ vɔ eye magagblɔ be occultism kple vandalism unnecessary ɖevia be le dodoge le school be ya meta
yagblẽ nu
le school
yele dzidzɔ kpɔ to the extent be yagblẽ zikpui yagblẽ
nenye computer ele school me eye school tatɔwo alo government gblẽ ga ɖe ŋu la mele dodo be ma do le school ta nɔvinye ye gbɔna la magava zi o wa gblẽ mɔ dome enuva blaze wo wa kaka nuwo exɔ eɖewo wa tɔ dzo enu le school xɔ me eye ɖeviwo ƒe awu kpakple nu wa fia dining halls wo enu agblẽ le teƒe ma medi ma gblẽ ekpo ɖe be ele be míaƒe school tatɔwo ɖe menya be nyemele wo me o ake anye nye didi be nenye be wobia nye susu la maɖo aɖaŋu ye hã matɔ aɖo aɖaŋu ne ele be woagbɔgbɔ trɔ asi le míaƒe code of conduct wo ŋu be taflatia enua na nyo ne mi le gbɔgblɔ be we are coming to reform alo reset Ghana agenda ɖe nu geɖe ele me eke wole be míaƒe tatɔwo wale nkuɖeŋu age ɖe míaƒe education offices wo ne akpɔ gbɔ be wo implement enu mawo le míaƒe schoolwo me.
Novi todola vavao le Yesu Christo me 6:55. Gade minute blackton vaton authentic mama dunenyo bobo show. Ele authentic mama kule dunenyo bobo show. Penkosem le top radio 103.1 FM. Papa na oji yele no for Reverend Jonathan Bete. I'm making a former PRO na Ghana Education Service. FN Samila. We are talking about indiscipline and truancy in our various secondary school particular. And how to curb it. And ele enugede blo. Aleke no le ji do dasi ekele jilausin do dasi ekele teacher housing do dasi ekele Ghana Education Service alo duduasi bewa wa emiele okatan lekpo bemiawe amado no gbogbo be aleke Ghana Education Service vade amefofo le school ma be na David wona de doses mi out time wa for me wa you of assembly agbonya adon pe o la mi ofo nkume fofo awento na pe be npe e chomaka wonu ma afu wa fo la school vio pete nkuma meka lene no ela be amado vio obo tonye minister o DC o kleto kanene for amegan vida emi amegan va report emi onya teacher allow them could to teacher or they call it coffee kleto that teacher they say okay if that is going to happen makpo vio yode no va enyo menyo ya mi afia no ne ke mi afia me afia ever we ben indiscipline basa wo bale bobo de school ome nem nya to mi kpo phone ya o le mi asimile kwa secondary school vi adawu anno pant meko anno ewudu ple efe koli nchu vi amama to enu mapetede beglan yolo nyonyo yolo noka is that our future sigbe mi trend de viewa do da si jilao ne mi avio in a secondary school nya anna de viewa nya enu iko ye go dofe ahead of time. Oh, alle different sort of people will be coming all over the world. Ava popo defuma ano kode kame. Nyonu view ano kode kame. Nchu view ano kode kame. Aleke wa no agbe klobo no. Aleke wa klobo noji. Aleke wa ton. A maintain obodo ke obe afe yone ochua wa no kudoji. Oma no aglanjeje group adeke mo. Enu mapete doda se onyona jilao. Jilao nemi na nse nya school me. Aba find out. Leke nya view le doing well in school. Ope character. Ope behavior de. Leke ole. Nova feme na mi ekpoleke de vie ba le behaving like onocha fisi egboba le behaving in different form tota sikala si ojila ayo de via bie no kale jojo I squam about find out we are not doing all those sorts of things nyebo be teacher we na train me having teachers will do their part, parents will do their part, and the kids themselves will do their part. Eyata don kuji na kwada bede awojilade part ka play nele ele play nya echoa no nya we na the teacher ya do fia no ba ikwe forma. And I know some good teachers too when they train their students very well. Later on, the reward comes in different form. Nearby dark, no enye abenye pe mass teacher the kaden lepeki. Ntu ya forma leg kakaka unnecessarily. Ewe be massa na mevone. Menya for there so soon tabenye menya massa because Etonya is a mathematician. Amesa menyele enuya be Etonya utagboda especially massa American male voter reading those days as I was told. Etonya nyagbale alegbe benania. Kake ni avafima reverend teacher don ha na nyonu vio is school no po de vio pe nature efe beauty efe character efe structure teacher don ha over dinner de vima ela be vinye ha etonu mado me nye tonto meto me vai na ne kan le beautiful a bit then you are in trouble. Teacher don have any like this teacher dey from kikikika vo menye be me wona o me be de menye be me wona de keka
ma be me na teacher
o de tata
o maloni o
de kikika na me ko mass enye me no level me no nye na me ko 10/10 o mental 10/10 7/10 8/10 nye pe wise enye 6 or 7
Ejagba school to
eya me no na
ta ogboko
ma fa me no bebe kaka yintu ya na Ejagba be de na me le 7 kra de bi akafos ameyo ke le 7 because ele dinye de meta be man no megodo ne man no
karajire me de la Agbagba jebe na kasono de jiwa.
No, I was not too sure because that man I don't know Antonia do great amegede onye be etina anyonu view
Okay.
Let me develop a bit. Na kwa anyon video develop na fine pay in a school because maybe their home is fine, they are looking good. Teacher they think back. They want to have a taste of this girl or something before the person goes or whatever. Teacher don't have one adoma. Ye ejole in your school those sort of teachers, do they have any disciplinary measures against those sort of teachers?
Yo, authentic mama ma aiji abe efonu gede to atinu gede ji ike nyasela ole sese. Efonu banto cho atizazan alo amepopo na hehe. Echa enwanyi fifie megalio. Ghana Education Service alo Ministry of Education sekple dodova yibe nenyebe onyemi fiala eye hetona devine nemala ne toto heme na nejola watando mo alo ana oto hehe ni fiala maike heto akele miape training colleges so ni omie seko nyebe elebe nyasa atie sparingly ni patapatao American santie hala lebe wanye headmistress or headmaster head of the institution to aheto ma ta to hema aba ti kenya mieva ya brochi mieva sombe no santila adeve vsc de via unde nu gede va miabe suku me nenyebe wa nyobe wa consider be o ma santie esa yoga kenyebe no to bobo mi la kwa hetona de vie no kosonu anyu gake la atima zanzamia lebo alenkude now sekle dodo kplo ni fialao no kpo le mutovo ma me ikemo le bana nye kpodun ni fialao la kpodun nyenye be la be de fio wa so mi ape no me akpo reformation na duko ya pengo gbe no kpo be wa for the school via de yome abeleke ogbule teacher la no yome no to he na
teacher la bon ano ti
bede to na ogbi me bete hojo edo wa ifo fe hala ojo mu se atwanya de mu agbare mu la enye Ghana Education Service pe dodo be teacher ma wa yue
okay
nenye be matan globe etocho le mu ame o to ne akamegere no gbogbo na enye ta ma menye PRO na Ghana Education Service ogbolo na nambe Ghana Education Service to fe sekple dodo ple to hede mesin nkata ogbolo mesin ebe amia wono le Kwando Secondary School mela kama o de cho Kwando Secondary School ko am for secondary school alo o konva tepebubu agbena no agaleme enya tanemele nkuredo kunyola ega ye repeated behavior ma of enya tale be Ghana Education Service day abeleke mire people be they should review the code of conduct or behavior the school view mede elebe no review teachers who hato no review teacher authority the directors and the headmasters were review ya now what they were agbaleme akonna wonu fiala but no senu ya klono yaw lewu to the school mela
this is the result
ada unya ole school melo
complete
alo le ti adepete la me ho o fe salary no for format of gede enu fiala mela adidi agbenono ma ole nfiala me kemi school me hala discipline and school me wu indiscipline ya muti me dibe nyaga lenkude emaun Ghana Education Service asitrola yo otiabe wa po wonao na menye doko wa po senior high school fe de dino no ga ke de via un tofe moral life plenu yo anyimia fe culture alo de konu menye abosan konu blomelo de konu le afi abosan konu hale ni yo bule mi amere
Africa du ko mi afete mi khodeme
menye benu ma obubo trova sukuo me eye miele nkurumula mi akobe vovo ple jojo yanya ano de viome na nuso son ple agbenono lole wa no agbe nfiala ho
nanye be mi ade du ko Africa mi o mi nye be aleke mi buname de vi buna amechichi buna de vi le mi afe culture no na mi gbogbo kono makode de vi o melesko a enu anyo indiscipline alo to aglanjeje ma wonu acho ble no basabasa ma opuku wo le school ma acho a eyagblo Reverend Jonathan Betele amekenye former PRO na Ghana Education Service no bi to do lava vao George na bele to aji ye ya de be ma bomo na o ha na gedeme ne ba bia de le alo na bi akwade pede unti a this is your time. Let me just open the phone lines quickly for you at this segment. 5 minutes past 7 o'clock. Top 103.1 FM. Authentic Mama Pele Junong Bobo Show. When custom nele. Nya yiji the osusu blo ayom le 055 and then van we have a lot of things to do. Newspaper headline also be coming your way, as you know. Text and phone text message and WhatsApp message segment also be coming your way. 0303 944 864 0303 944-864. Phone number ma allo 020-376-9562. 020-376-9562. I'm Megbanto Lekaji. Hello. Wait,
we should matter let me express myself. Hello?
Yes, continue. We are listening.
Thank you. Don't blame teachers and don't what do you call them? Mistress or whatever. They're the children. Hello?
I can hear you. Continue.
Let me tell you. I was born in Kezibakan. I started secondary school, Kezibakan secondary school,
to call me back because your line is not too clear. So call me back 0303 944 864 020 376 9562. Hello.
Hello,
For David, hello for you.
David,
Apameto.
Adolo, Ofanama.
Mountain call Prafina Yoche.
Everyone that's an American speaker.
Letoji.
School now, now, Mahama, 4 minutes, I do what the next thing, Father, and Papa. And then I was really good. So I was the very, what most of them get Mr. Pamara and Samefa. Is really the Papa, and the people, let me say, no one that's on the car. Because no, I see that this one, there's a tennis, I think you look at one that's a good day, and the poor are playing a little bit of another time. Yeah, like you
Melakuku, you
and the other
okay, hello, Apameto.
hold on.
When you do free, I go to I get down to
I get out of the program for that.
me away, so.
I'm going to put a mobile madam and your phone. I took over a dollar. Most of the but took a normal. I'm with the school at the Papa, young normal food be too. That is not a phone of 50 and a dozen. When you try from the Jadu Forest, TVG, Abu, Radio Ma, the Jadu House of doing the work when I know nothing about the Sukunta Pago. A winner of you, Almoy Jotona Agbam, Agban, you, a global good bookman. And therefore, starting down to Comagona, no Dagola, all for Annie. Not put a Zoom about 2 hours, 1 hour, my phone, so put your studio call. I don't know, you never had about it. I'm not going over the Zoom problem.
Okay,
I know you got what doing a woman, Romano, Dr. Chicha.
That's still let you know, see Alec no come over. Yanu, I look better, daughter, Akpe, and make Ben and Abia Hasia. Okay, Akpe. Yeah, we're popular. Hello, Lemona Radio. Maracu Lemona Radio go. Maracu.
No, about telling me, and the program, everybody a local every month, the idea local. Maybe another, I don't know from a gathering. No, I never in yellow school. I thought you get a public there. I'm not from the secondary school. If you are just a good brother, won't you apply? You know, you fool. If you are the driver, the body. You have to evaluate. If you have to evaluate, almost full and no, what the cat, you, I like a walk on you. What the car? Let me drop on you. Now I may have to evaluate. You get another job, then I saw the and another job, then I secondary school. I got to put it in my I did not the big you could have any natural. You got the village commander. That's what the village That's what the you got the jail I talk over. Where are we? Let the man you know, actually, let the man talk over. And another Villa, my sweet cotton and not the Jabba.
Okay. Hello, me when I'm popular. Hello, I'm meto. Where's all?
Let go consider the name of part that you run a dialogue, catch you come and me also. Can you put that in your pulling your get all show body? I may have you, don't allow you to get a church home. I tell you, you're not a EP, oh my daughter. No tone on your school, Tonania, I saw Bonacon. That's it here. Ottawa, a pastor on a church home, they get the world, what that done in that church home. Pastor Tom Marco, that go, let you very clear to you. If some of our no, but no, I try to call a puny job. I know that whenever looking at
the okay, hello, Upper Metal. Good evening. Uncle Clafine, Lemon ready. I'm a super man, Matawan, not you, Lemon. Ben Corday. Miele toji.
Oh, Benari. Because to Mateo Magnet to enemy. That's how we need the view of the best for no school home in it. This is a democracy battle, and the Joe go back to the Zima do. Or say the Kinam is a political man at the view. The view to Lucusi, you could do nobody, like the young version of Soguturu. You know, whoever good is ever good, good and then you community. So that good is only military.
Now, Kakaka. Okay. Hello, Apameto. Hello.
Yeah, good evening.
Good evening. Nkopafine your tree.
Oh, I'm down now. So, also like that.
Yele toji.
My cool very good. The other men in a classroom. I went to July because I banned teacher man of the GIC, and the Jano de la class. Then my could pick at the
GIE. Okay. While couldn't know my how Messiba. Akpe, Emegbe. Hello, Apameto. Okay. Yeah, 0303-944-864. Phone in segment, the first segment here, interview segment here concerning discipline in our various schools. Are those who block with there? Hello.
Hello, Sister Mafa.
Ways on call, Pafine Oche. Letoji for you, ma.
You chose JSS. So when you cut radio station and you want to go to Afonja. Then you cry.
Akpe, while couldn't mountain. Hello, Apameto. Hello. Hello. Where's your Apameto? Hello, Apameto.
Hello.
Where's on Copafine or cheerful?
I'm calling about this our baby police. On to the coronavirus.
Nearly 2 years for baby.
I never. I come to the viewers who are more about the Edinburgh, a 200 view. Edinburgh offer a child who has another view. A child, no one would go over the project around the very. No one would go from my jewel, Kakana, who project you are a project. Oh, no, I do among them. You want to have the knowledge, Ram. I see you, and I get them. I can't more than Madame more. Elaborate a Bratia. Elaborate you spoke. Uno had them to no view. No care, no so. Elaborate. Almost spoke on my own dormitory. Mubara, no dormitory. I'm a teacher, almost in a ball, a female, Rodam. No more that
okay. Maracuyo. Hello, Maracuyo. Hello, Apameto. Hello. Hello. Okay. Where's Apameto? Nkokafine actually.
Bebeto kuchadenta sakura.
For Bebeto, where's Miletoji?
Let me put you through. If you know the community, you will be a little. A Casazora enemy. I put the video, the pictures I will be picture Mola. The Canadian of that local, the cousin of the government. No to pay up an hour. Call on because you recommend the about the last day. You don't share a river no view. A Casazora enemy. Anyway, you know, Pena. Okay.
Akmenaoha. Okay. Hello, Apameto.
Hello.
Hello, where's Nkokafine actually?
Good evening.
Evening, Lemona Radio Asia.
Thank you.
You're now African and Yoche.
But I go on a my own chocolate to Baby.
I told you for.
But I problem I kill a squad for the days of Blue. A 2 can no more the view of the 200 Canada, which I'm a Chibu. Yamagata, Dolia. Let's have money cashing no for the year. The young Lucia, Kavia, Edward Gilao, Navas, and the one teacher. Better Theodora, Scuvia, on group Lucy, over from group Lugo, Novako, gonna teach a pocket. I, Samava, Litania, teacher, how Quaker Zoo, a day, I lose your door. Nay, quick on people, Welling, Gomagatu, oh, Scuvia, Tesudo. And you know, no one you are a counter. That's if you come over to recommend you and I get no comment if you know you.
Akpe, Maracuyo, we listen. Hello, Apameto.
It's 10 years old, a Panama.
Me phone you in call Crafty or tree.
Young at the comfort, my young electric farm.
Quanti come for me, let you now.
And the which you live out of it, never mind. Teacher can never school, you never use school. Teacher, I know what do. What for me? One no, what double what? Whoa. Caterpillar, a second in the number. Gamma, look at over your number, some are disappointed. Military school, oh my God. Sijene kasa madapati huko pro even na kwala moji put the smile about you you go to school ever will diploma ta neto nya no me na open no me and ya teachers me na malaka be pogare police aba ko allow. That's the best. I like a gelado. Thank you.
Thank you too, Mama. Okay, thank you so much. Let's end the call-in segment for this segment. this place name ya you wanachi total lava vow 7:20 p.m. Akpemia call in segment here. I said afie George Nambeni Letoaji le wona sem eyakwe hiami. Akpena Milo Top Radio 103.1 FM. Authentic Mama Dunenyo Bobobo show play Reverend Jonathan Bete. I'm making a former PRO na Ghana Education Service. Milan kula de like a tomado le school me. Aleke indiscipline vale school me home the view go ha to la me o yi school a etu over losi the view le wino the view le cigarette no the view fifia leko your name nkode va manglobe crapo trauma doc pleto obale no basa no yo even say some time ago last 2 years or last year me yi be maple leko your name maple glue, super glue. A short, may if you be short, I'm no kind of best super glue, hey, no come on, I found one of the number 50. I had the view, into violets as a school, may into view con, into clean violets as a school, I bear trauma doing, obed the inhalator, only high. It is even like something serious, no inhaler, they are so high. I'm wow, super glue. That's a trauma dollar school me the violets as a kakeno vamiagba ole bebe jila how me paying attention ne the vio kemo kakemolo senior high school vio kemo unchoko school 1 month ogbogba me in your person have you like be 1 night for 3 months after ajo no ka first school puku ya e the vio basro no no gba jila ha le totola fe mo jila yasime dome the gentle me hongbo pleto no one you kata no time le the be onya be negbona by this time you see them pretending and behaving like they are good person. I would you because you don't have time to critically look at your child. Abobo the vie elephant. Kasene bianya the vie chi bazunugbegle. So we have it. I don't know. Nukamia wait on no.
Kamame dele bobrobe madu susuda be Ghana Education Service for that matter, Ministry of Education, what we review the calendar, our school calendar.
That is it.
And I bet the Geneva school, letty the kaku, never know, letty a tongue. And never Gadama Madon Kujibe, the VO is Suku, Kosra Tomeko, Ogotrova Peme, Edoina, Ko, Ogbosek Becho, Ministry of Education, and Ghana Education Service, Be, Elabewa Gubotrova, the following week, Wagu Bokatroyi, and never the Duke Gerola. Overzo the big bell of Tovna, Ofofu, my school they come in Chore, Mama, I won't blend number from 1 via Ella check Jereme. Check Mamma a full of the via fu. I bet bells ha the via blah a bells there a sukuaji. Me potam me bubu tabe o nenye be nya pelu sopo plenya be school one ananialia kema edo hari Nile de Dioja Didi de Benebo for Fula, more the daily day, Nagavai de Sukuoji, after the Higero, was Funo, was a student mothers who a child father. No more Catala Benito Asilo, Abel Babia, you Cataham, your Babia, Nolado school me. You'll be guidance and counseling coordinators. And the Ghana Education Service, our ministry a day, no was secular dobenary, suku de si adela, and a counselor, male counselor, and a female counselor. I'm a very one or sukuome, female counselor, male counselor. Now me yaule school me la, oh my ganyan fiala, and I bet a gedode, oh my po vivude. And Fafia alone hono ikewa na the view one or reformed la and about well mathematics fear alole BK Bible knowledge allo RME una fear Africa the counseling mape do fema yeta fufu pode don tontola megalio yeta mia no la yo le asitro le mia besko ya ode na bowa emphasis they must review a lot of things the guidance and counseling coordinators so la one no joji le mia besko me then we have to vo ma ko la what we organize.
I wish Crabbe president that appointment na that guidance and this in there no fear the view one on for the because it's very necessary because mi ko susude no manwo e ata de vio leko le nu basa wo amadeke me teacher ho ha level fo teacher ho ha time alone because if ya curriculum aba na be pressure le teacher so ji o metal no mark for pa no time ko be dey nyele the view yo le no populota they can have those things all over the regions. I set some committee o nice ko is come about check out the student and the teacher school. Aponu now akponu anka I think they are not very good at.
Mama me fa ma ko de ka kokpere wo onupo be elebe nyabo school do fe na wododo be once a while we organize a program for parents and teachers.
Okay.
Parents and teachers already. Afia o menye PTA meeting. Pa wododo kunla.
Okay.
We ya no afia no beleke a review school pe dodo pleseola sia yi wa no kama na de otro ba pemela ejiola ma sign bond be nye be view onu ya la
elewa no
okay to he kenye gbine fofo to he yare rokomia de kuku be mega bo le mel kake mekanji be jila o le didi be le yi didi de mela ne enu to vo wo vasigbola wa twa tide asia de bio aketo na ofunti na se bebe vire
yeah, Elab Africa, that is our culture.
That is it.
Oh my back call your vote culture, but you form a above you, my wallet, Africa touch me up on Untila, Etovo, na you vote Untila.
Yes.
Your half on Untila, Etovo. What they do, you vote view one, who have time now the view, they study the child at the younger age. Had the Junior Jetako, Jekpo, and Neko Avazuko, they started buying things that will make the person to be like that. Africa, they then they can have time, they
fana kokolore afana apako che no kai na be se ma over teacher do hare no ito ma he na de view fere o we wu bomo endola ati avaka de view penku alo tepe ke agbemu le de view na paketo manao kema everzu a staple do court criminal case
la be na hawa pojuku
okay yata akpa vie betere elebe mia khononu alo atrasi le ukataun
edole mia unti as a nation as education as parents as kids so bete adole mia
o to be na be me gbova Ghana Education Service alo National Teaching Council alo tepe ike adownload ya ole ya matanpero unti wa medakpe
Tanemia Duplola, His Excellency Menyabe Miletoaji, NDC government, this new government, Eva, and Mekoadole, Echo or Dr. Ghana Education Service by Echo, Odutona New York at the one pension age, or pension. Kakia, they so are strong, they are very strong, and they have the energy and they have the talent and strength. At the one you can engage them. You when you experience people came in here, you for you still need experienced people how come on board. Then you for play age the over call together, you see better understanding and know how was say I know yata Miape Duplola, His Excellency 120 day contract taking the house social contract here. And well dodgy, so far so good. We are monitoring and we are happy so far with what we are doing. Kakia, a committee on a door for education. 5th year we have a minister for education. Honorable Haruna Idris is one of the talented, knowledgeable youth. Efimiola is very fantastic. Nolan Konyesa, you can so involve. Your tentacles so now spread more so that you bring the people on board. Me told you what the the Ghana Education Service kleto that's no kleto you the product over sat down so that me make this maybe the nation far better than as you say resetting the Ghana. We need all these people involved. Ghana Education Service or mechanic me and custom. Akpena me if you off if you mean the position so I like but into your me blame oh. In fact, elebemi akwasepele na mahama ejababa le tatia yo he le wo de tefe wa if you me ho tefe ya ta vio tefe imi hwa mi ha mi he mi no vi over mi adokun mi abia down na mi hode edome ne dona yingo ne mikata mi awe ne wanyo Ghana na yingo amonu to me na kpongo yi that is the most important thing ne mi awe that voter region like this you can be part of the council of education council and be giving advice and hello okay next week I name a minister gbota no vakomi akweda na mi akana wanya ye wenye voter region to penu yata ne national wise so no mo ni yawa regional wise you can get those sort of things so that nem ya me you to enwo eva ya nem ye ka vako to so leva amo aseme ye wanyo ha adegbegbo me nem ya no vio super tower is one of the fantastic thing I think we can do. Yet I accepted this proposal and I'm throwing it out to the new government. Millennium of tell you the position so katabe we involve each other. Then ya we ne amuno to you go. Reverend Jonathan, the thing better. Mapu had the kato mene na realize 103.1 now.
Authentic Mama, the 103.1 FM. Authentic Mama, the 103. Authentic Mama, the 103.1 FM.
Ago Ganato Ukonya Frangoka, UN General Ago Ganato Ukonya Frangoka, UN General Assembly Hall, Mashama Naruto, Authentic Mama, MFA, the top 103.1, Akakabo.
Top radio back correct. Top radio back correct. Top radio back correct. Top Radio va correre. Top Radio va correre. Top Radio va correre.
Authentic Mama, the 103.1 FM.
Mawawe, awe na o. Novi turola o gandre minute blane tutu mi ako egbeto fe akpaya aserafi Reverend Bete Jonathan Bete elemiadome awunu pele hababia na fe lonoto pedeko do enyaka la sona ko wunu na turola o vieto July yo lenko se pele teacher o pedeko
me dakbe de egbepo na ota metibe ma adonku jina mi agila obe edotumi na mi di mi antofe chome be de mi bazo ametichiwa agbemene nyuna mila kama mia penkune no mia fiu evelia hala mia pogbobe mi wode ka klonu fialawo alo suku edowalawo be mi kata mia tan pasi akplo mia vio le mavovon pakle nu soson de tome mia don ko eji ha bele enyi mia bedo dasi be mia ile suku me abia mia vio ve de dino no nu yo sonle nenye be agbeno no tovo ade ava de vio pa gbemela kama mia bia cho nu fialawo ple tato gbo wana mianya kama de vio va puna do kemia wo lonula yato awo enye vele ha de na edasle vio be de sukuta no ekofia de via eye ko asron akọ dodo kpola edo ha mele miaje de o elebe mi akpogbo be mi wo de kakle nu fiala yo mi bia mi avio be ameya vie yala mathematics ala quantum mi ala woni o yefu be mi ala woni o science mi ala woni o physics and chemistry mele de na de viola mi akpo teacher o e wa wo de ka be mi organize bere ni dim vile na teacher o la apere mi avion e maga de kuku to kuku de me na mi ape hakpolo lawo sofo be menye gbogbo me do ko mi na wo wa e mi ape de dino no nye ga popo alo nu ewoliawo alo ga di ga abiawo ko mi na wo le mi ape so le mo ke mi apogbo be de video avansu ha mi ape chola ni fiama vovon bakle edupopolo pe alo patriotism mi aton preach ha patriotism le ya pe school me kama de video jury ma vovon anome no trogboa bavanye de vi wonu tepona mi osofo ple etukoblebo.
Wow. Anye gbedasi pople. Wow. Wow. Wonderful. Wonderful. Thank you, my friend. And my husband, thank you. Okay. Now, by the way, when I'm a wonderful gift, I need to appreciate him. Nayas, DJ Nayas. Thank you so much. Okay. Reverend Jonathan.
Yes.
Yes. I'm making a formal PRO na Ghana Education Service FN command say ye be da sekele he okowunua ya ma oglona jilao todola teacher okata akpena me reverend akpena joa ame the cover do menyabo le toaji echova ya enye love day keke mekata we share love to each other o ha mon popola so egbe nya ke la so na wono noto
me da pe sister MFA ma bia ha na esronyelo noto charity bete alo oye ele ayikuma fifia alo dodo wanu to me afima mi chwa pedo alebe evinye interview de Michael enye asrafo le kumasi vinyon vi enye le Linda akofa bete ha ele nyinko se fifia beke mele no po ha de strong ele Bank of Africa. The via Katan play divine bete. Honyo, Lonotonyo play Temple of Glory Hame Tokatan, Menyabole Nyebese, no do berabe, and unanyo be nya anwa ilumtiva fame.
And no nanyo, Eyati Miele, Totroye, Vadolo, Novinyo, a bloody badger. Reverend Jonathan Bete. You've been a wonderful guest, Egbe, and like a nekboba mo o commenter. If you have the element of Vava often, Eata Mabuba arrange you, Mati to crow, Anovava.
Amen.
Most of the time, Kone, ye la so Anovava, ne miano nume joale. Na mia evyo open go yikle Ghana to open go yikle leke mia we no nanyo ikeme na tro le Ghana to koma ne mia we wanyo. Next week, we are planning to have on the show the Minister of Volta Region, Honorable James Gunu. The plans and visions for Volta Region as a minister, newly elected, the low appointed next week, I am Anomiadome, Eno Vakwa, as a Miankoha.
Merci.
Akbekakana, Reverend, a waiver on your low. That Mia, you want Nachi,
Akbekaka,
Marakuku, Miedena, Snow, Pele de Viocata, you now Mon Popo, Benava, authentic Mama, Nachi. Blenobe akpenlo.
Akpe nyawo do. Nyawo no gbonye play le gbogbo me plum tilame.
Okay.
Maune yirami.
Amen. Echobeni na selmele fmai.
La Chibi Temple of Glory Ministries.
Okay.
Nije na church comme Gassier ke plafan.
Okay.
Kacha gawi de ke plafan la miekpan.
Another de nene va mama na mon popo minute atonde na fon cho sole hunto.
Akpena we.
Okay. Ekenye nchoto. Nene va mi akoya ha kokpede a topic hunti.
Amen.
Okay. Aselo. Okay, novi to do lao. Eya Reverend Jonathan Bete Ben Koma Esse Gandre minute bla and nevaton quickly my itimana o newspaper headline segment. Look away to the costra me peta kaka it be a jalo. Okay. Eke look away to the costra me peta kaka banto kwenye be ye lem takuma put to play. And look banto nyebe abaleke niato nyabe OSP. Special prosecutor Mutua Legana Dukoma declare Nyafe former finance minister Ofori Ata Honorable Ofori Ata declare wanted Onglak balene be wa badonya de kava don kude enu ado yo wo gabubu nyado alo gadudu pe nyado yo lega yimoho nye finance minister edo aho wa gadudu pe nyado over edo ado wonti contract adonti especially nyato nya national cathedral apenya bele bubu ado sugbo ke ntua obo yo meno omelo nkoso eyata ncho OSP I declare aloeva glena kikeme godobe miato ya oforiata is wanted person afisa fiko babedo alola na wache pagba afuduva Ghana to come avado babia de kavado unti wa kunu mekple aleke okowo doyo alo contract yo owo ke enya ya fe de goa Ghana to come amegedo fonu miato menya Ghana chodo fonu anu amegedo amadobo OSP ewenye adobe mawenye okleto MPP dunya heha party ento ha o press conference e yoglo aleke o mapojujo cho OSP fair declaration ma be oforiata former finance minister is wanted fugitive collector wa o mapojujo lawo mianovi onye minority MPP minority in parliament on ha o press conference show ese otakpepe me e yo do fe jukufia alo Sefia aleke Dukome aleke OSP ba declare former finance minister o ha omepo jijocho won be attack ya collector New York bla meletefo elabe obo enulagbana agbale na obe email rezomo collector ibe about treatment le yovo de collector ke enabe enu ya bazu enya le Ghana Dukome ewo abedumevi wonu tepe leke o hane susu nya ye unti na mepomona wa agbolo susu pedeko na bia kana de kape ye yilemta eya nya chocho gbanto nya chocho evelia nya be Honorable the Minister for Interior Honorable Muntaka Mubarak Nchwa Edo Committee ame Andre Ado Committee Ado Gome Anyin be wakunume wa aleke amehohode security agency ome soldier police collector fire service immigration collector whoever yi le penyi over here wakunu mechonti elaba megede adosa ono believe in be party boys so sonko okoba de security forces ome for some years ago fifilaya nyele resetting Ghana otibe wa wono nwe eyata Minister for Interior Evado Andreado Gomanyi bewa kunume cho aleke security agencies so honame de ome abek povito pame kokode povidome soja pame kokode soja ome nene make fire service immigration collector wa obewa lenkudo wa kunume ameyo hobai hode qualification nwa o jabe wa hode alo party vio ko ba kokofere do me collector ha ata edo committee gome anyi be wa numekuku bede. Now the current one recruitment wa nyaleke wa we de dodonu abeleke alo dodo plesenu ya nya jojo velia nya jojo etonlia nya no vitoro lava mana na nye be cholera miato mienya the cholera outbreak is in Ghana the central region l'Ashanti region, le Western region, Korea, Eva Levava, le Accra, le Greater Accra region, Korea, Eyatamia Meyo, le Nuplem do, le Gotato, Adudoto, Pletoyoa, Elebemiano, very careful. F2 Central region, Kun, Yadoyale, Elamo womb, so far, Amegedado, Amegedo, le Koji, Enovito Dola, Manana Nyabe Domahime, Sebe, Colorado, Lelevao, Manana Nyabe Eva. Elle eyola mewu alegbegbe ela mo break alegbegbe yata Ministry of Education overdo Ministry of Health overdo ebe wa nka immunization wana atike ke a prevent be ewo ne mekho hade wa maka hokolore adolele mawa o le chacha be wa wo doma ayata no overdo gbo wa ne na namo wa wo no mana wana atike ma menye veve mevio ma wona reko no vitoro lao ayata enu dulao enu dafle dulao nyato kunhia amado a o le no oko de gotato o le fle la fuma takpa chuchu pleto Colora obete peke me jao te peke me koa ye Colora dolele no la betagba chuchu ple fly so e kona doma evana ameyo inasime bola nano fuma subo wabano nuple agbanata wabano nuple ton pleto wa obena nyabe Colora dolele is very serious in Ghana now ye onyenweke Oyo Minister of Health be wa vasel takpepe me na wa ba afonu na MPO leke ole wo be wa chi Colorado lele ya nu no vitoro la ya tane menya wa melegblo now be Colorado eva elegana to koya me no be yo nyanya jojo ton yo me be mana yo mfifi like quickly ye yilam le 0303944864 pedeko yoko nena adosu sublo la nya ya pedeko me ka bia ha egbe kra na me bia ha me gblo me ka saga mo bia ha hello apometo ewe so ekola le nu ko to fine
Peter de Dario pana mi
pedeko yo mi le toji
ko da ya ge bai o la sina mi la sa ko mo la todo ina gi minister owó ní àlọ́ owó wa tẹ̀sán látàrí lẹ́bí ní bá fẹ̀sẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ àkúntà ti pa lẹ́fẹ̀sẹ̀ máa zùgá wá síbẹ̀ ìgbà tí lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ náà náà lẹ́fẹ̀ẹ́ lórí ẹlẹ́fẹ́ bá fẹ̀sẹ̀ àpẹẹrẹ wọlé ọ̀rẹ́ yìí.
àpẹẹrẹ wò hàn ẹgbẹ́ ìmọ̀ àkọ́kọ́ sọ̀sẹ̀ àkẹ́lẹ́ wà fẹ́mẹ́tọ́.
ẹgbẹ́ lo.
nǹkan pàfin náà yọ tó ẹ̀.
yẹfẹ nkọlẹ comfort ma yọ tó fix farm.
mẹ́rẹ̀kú yìí jí pé dẹ́kọ̀.
Yefe amedan novima yefe nyamebe magbo. Sema no yeziagide. Obu eyo neyo. Ole nu gbogbo wo, enu madinwo wo. Epo bife ko do mevwa. Ko do mevwa ya lo. Mene ejo mama nto bidia lo. Yes, ye bidia.
Okay.
Lady your mama the carriage your madio. And no boy and woman who to pay your bro. Oh, when the president Benedict, let Genesia did I have to know yata. This year upon me the domain. Your mama not done.
Okay, hello, Apemeto. Hello, Apemeto. Hello, Pop Lafine, your check with them.
Sorry, evening, no.
Pafine yo tue.
Onye for Francis, Malayo to Alajo.
Kuiji.
Mere kukulo wale doji kaka. Yana na bele ejide. Mabadi ke fifilai Minister of Finance. Alo ke osi fifilai di ko be 130 am technology kukore. Keji kukole. Tama ko ga ole di funya do wo blabedi. Nane aminyele megbe avaku na mekluwa tamanya benisio ta wanted to say onwodi wanted onye yenye mi kwara fi safira e de be no gbo le ko be tamanya
ape hello Apemeto.
hello
anko afine yo tue
temo yo fu kwa ni la bele pe
iji na mi fu kwa mi
akoto ya ne chaide kana tukamare on be so on no kara keswa otomo no on no kara keswa yana ngaji ya kala chuwa manyo tare ma ne na wa goba akumo kuke ike kana be ka ulo to kote no start mo kala kala de no ko si aso ja kana to
Okay, Akpe. Ayomle 020-376-9562. Hello, Apemeto. Electo Jefonya Joffrey.
Yeah. Na bi de jufu ha so kwale nya agaga dagba ma. Na gbara ka do airport ko ni kinu foyata alo no si totolo mele. Oba to le airport a. Eyi ogun na funa ba gaza ro ko yi. Mana doro ko yi.
Akpe Tawale. Okay. Akpe hello Apemeto.
Na eda na po na yiri sigara tiye.
Oh. Apemeto. Hello. Hello. Marakuya for Peter mi electo ji anya palesato. Ilem yejina.
Yana na maki afeto manyaba nyaba ye ma won gbagbere ko alaba ntopinto umadani jogbamu ta manyaba alaba wona wonyaba anyanduga da kan kana afi wala bana jole to kono ba ye yire doda ko le tafare ne makare jibo ole tafuta la kakela ajabo na bana gbe wa do nyanchi alaba anyalan wala bana dun kuku.
Okay, enyalo olebe wa don koko Akpe for Peter drama. Hello Apemeto.
Hello.
Beji nko kwa fine yo twefo.
Yo, that's when famanya ba ko petiwa. Ela ni ko to sunte ko. Ela ko da ala de ko happen.
Electo ji.
Yo, ya ko ma bele ko na de ko ela de le de na ko mi die. Si no ni ke le wen ale de ke tire ni bi da na mi papa ogu.
Akpe na wo ha.
When you say that I'm doing, I guess in Kitiwa, actually, I've been made at the fian, a good, the minute after.
Where's
we were weapon finance minister for I think that the culture no one but I don't know that no level will go at 20 times. No culture can I take what should do. I mean, I take what should do. I should do that. No one should do that. No one know that play. No one never should do that. Cathedral, very little planet for the collection. Cathedral, Shona. But that will go over there. I look at that, the Popolani. Cathedral, I am going to learn what to send and read the Cathedral. Oh, yes, we are super in the Yoruba. Yes. That is what I'm going to do. Wọ́n yà wò ó ní láti ìlànà àbámọ́lé ìgbà àbámọ́lé ìgbà ló ti ga ya máa nípa gbogbo gbàgbọ́ tí wọ́n lè ká ìdílé ọ̀gbẹ́gbẹ́ nígbà tí ń jì.
Akpe.
Ẹ̀ka ẹ̀rọ ìtẹ̀kùnlé ọ̀rọ̀.
Akpe. Yo no vito dola Akpe na ni maka hoko sa de ke me do ta flash ye yilemta. Obenu ikele vevede a veveze mo denado ke ni atomi lesem me ka chijo next week amana mo npopo be mi aponto nya yo nwede. Cholera pe dolele ya mi atomi ko serious a vevieto gen no la okata ni ko serious be mi alenko de mi apendudu fruit pleto mi klo nwe afimi ado. Mele agbagbaje next week Saturday the voter regional minister Honorable James Gunu Anomiadome Nenemake mi akome pepedecho psychiatric hospital na wanomiadome mi afonucho mental illnesses unti mental health mi afonucho unti aleke mi lagbe ka ke mi kude chitrenu no ke olebe mi okleto we will be talking about it etameka na be Saturday de ke na miss o I am giving you back to back this year is our year eyata mi awo enu ke mi atenwa wo efen tete Akpena metodola Peto Francis Agezo afisa finela ehana yi now efonye Emmanuel Amegan shinyepe producer ganle ajame wele doji ehana yi now nyepe producer le America Peto Steven de la bola mi akpon la America le siana YouTube page aji Akpena me nenemake loloto kata yo ole nkonye sen me dakpena mi miawe le doji amede bema biara na mede me okay ebe wish the following people good weekend realization Laura Dushi Bridget Kafi Ponukake Mrs Judith Ivy Agbo Achu Nyentono Yedeka Beve bless you now Mr. Achu GK Achu chairman of the Middle East Residents Association Mr. Kwao Ahiado Mekple the entire executive Sokata Yanovi Copperfield Beb Yadu de Haji Akpena Lonoto Pla Meyo Katando message Oda Metanglo Medota Flat. Mommy, it is my birthday. Can you please wish me a happy birthday? Philip Mauli Salah, happy birthday, Mauli. Today is your birthday. I wish you happy birthday, long life and good health. My greetings to my brother Cornelius Kunya, incoming MC for Ketu South, pleading my lovely people from Ketu South to give him the massive support from Richard Kunya. Okay, Kunya Akpe Kulebubwao Metakpenami Egbefe Donami Katamia Wele Dojin Yawe Wodoha.
Top radio back correct.
Efonye Orison, the USA, Okata la Mojiba Authentic Mama is looking great as usual. Thank you so much. US Okata, Yolen Konyesem, Tiana members Okata Akpenami. Mie common Popoya Mita Peto Hedena. Affector Reverend Jonathan Bete. I may back pedemianti egbele discussion me indiscipline in our schools. Good evening, Sister Mefai. I'm watching you live from North Carolina. Today is my birthday. Wow, I received the prayers you have prayed earlier. I am blessed. Pogo Gosway or Doko, greetings to United Voter Organization members. Okata, happy birthday to you, my brother, Fokpogo, Lebanon. Okay.
Top radio back correct.
Ekpele Madogbe na sister Rich la Gbadegbe ekpele suna afo John Gbadegbe ekpele devio kata midu de haji Meridian Presbytery Executive Sokata Egbepe Doname Reverend Wilson Dumasi plus no Mrs. Dumasi Aina Mikata Midu de Haji Reverend Charity Agbenyega Midu de Haji Reverend Minister Aina Nyetope Reverend Dela Amegbe plus no Sister Gertrude Amegbe Egbefe Donami Miawe Wodo Kakaka Meridian Presbytery Women no Kata Egbefe Do Miawe Wodo Echoa Wana Mia Dakpega Akpena Milo Miawe Wodo Meridian Women Ministry Tokata Okay, Nove torola obe vivime vonala gokun hafio dasile undangbeo. Efi nyakogbeto asedoya. Next week Saturday, I tell you another special guest will be in the house. Miafe Voter Regional Minister, he is going to be in the house live. Anami plans and a vision for the voter region this year. Alo 4 years here is our year. Ibemi akwaleke voter na ingo. Eyata he will be coming on the show next week Saturday. Eyata voter video flyer na mekwede emoti kwamya mekata is going to be massive. Bemi akboda no kanye vision will have na voter amonuto mepengo yi menyebe whole capital ko be voter kata nyakpongo yi. This year election alo nominations over massive. Mahama elebem for sekwenene na position and nka bio alegbegbe eyata alekemi awo position kata wa cut wa together be amonu tome video be me to vote adeji be kasi afene na ya wa wodeka akosusu deka awodona amonu tome pengo yi. Now next week I don't miss the show. Na amesem nanya bell honorable minister for voter region will be coming on the show. Nenemake psychiatrist from Accra Le Psychiatry Hospital also being on the show. Miato mental health. Miato akpenami. Ne program of Vivi. Let be a sponsor, Mia. Don't hesitate. Sponsor the show. You can do so by calling Authentic Mama on 0244 066 752. 0244 066 752. Madog Betokedena Promasido Ghana Limited people. Nenema Kema Dena Peto Dan Okujeto Ally Oil CEO, the Chief Executive. Medog Benami Miawe Bodogbe. Now, Hana to be a sponsor program Yanamia. Are you authentic? Like 0244 066 752 0244 066 752. Oyombe Authentic Mamba. For Francis, the Sumo Boy in Ghana Studio, Aero Production, when Nenema Kenya, America Studio, Apeto Steven, there, places are Vivian.
Wanule amagata da siademu, la rega da siambe.